This is our Berkshire 34 QS 2017. We love it. We hate the fact that we have to sell it, but we are moving permanently to Florida. It's been a good unit, garage kept, always clean, serviced every year at Eagle Diesel in Kingston, New York. We've spent a month at a time in it, down in Florida, a couple of years in a row. Air conditioners work fantastic, especially in the heat down there. We have lots of extras that we're willing to sell with the unit. Everything from sunshade for the awning outside to cooking stuff, pots, pans, pretty much everything that's in the camper, because I bought it all for the camper and I don't have a need for it in my house. So if you're interested, please give us a call or email. I will give you the information. But here she is. Lots of storage inside and out. That's her name, Storm Trouble.